actually my first fridge, our first fridge. We've been just using like a regular cooler on our overlanding trips, and yeah, this is our first fridge, and I'm actually really liking it. At first, I'm like skeptical about like fridge, you know, like, oh, I don't need it because I only do like, we only do weekend trips and stuff. But since I got this, I'm actually loving it. So yeah, here's the 37 quart, 37 liter, and the lid, you can actually like switch it on the other side if you want. See, ta-da. Yeah, it's actually been on in the garage for at least a week and a half, I think. I'm just come here, out there. Take a video over here. See, I'm just running it at low right now, eco. I set it to 30, 31, just for the drinks to get cool. Okay. This thing, I think it's pretty pretty lightweight. When it's like empty, it's pretty lightweight, you know. And it comes with like this handle over here, so you can let's see, you can use it. There's a wheel in the back, so you can just like drag it, so you don't need to carry it. It's pretty cool, pretty portable. With like this thing over here, a little basket, easy cleanup inside. Then come here, out there. Go over there. There's like a little drain hole, over here. There's liquid in there. See, drain hole. It's a little dirty from our last camping trip, but yeah, we love it. It's actually perfect. 37 liters is perfect for our weekend trips. Maybe 3 days will be the max, I think. Depends on what kind of food you're trying to bring. Here's this little connector for the car, like a 12-volt car. I've been running it with my I've been running it with my power station. I got a 500 and a 300. And last camping, I was just using the 300. And the fridge was on all day, and the 300 is enough. So right now, I don't know if you can hear it. It's trying to get back to its temperature. So over here, you can see how it says max and eco. Press settings, it goes to max. Right there, max. And then if I hold it for a couple of seconds, there's 3 selections. You get high, low, and I think that's medium. When it's on eco mode, I only set it on low actually. But when we're at camp, I think I set it at medium and eco. Yeah, I can't wait for more adventures with this thing. It helps a lot, especially the kids. They love popsicles. We bring ice cream and popsicles at the campsite, so I know the kids will love it. It's actually frozen. It's frozen.
I want to try those when we're done.
What?
They're frozen.
Affordable it is on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon. It's pretty cheap on Amazon actually. I think it's worth the money.